guys, so you might have just seen my video when I unboxed. He's a mirror. Yeah, she's here. We're doing a squishy.
A potty for me! What'd you say?
We're doing squishy dares, and I'm gonna be covering a squishy in slime. I picked Millie.
Why not Billy?
Cause Billy, I feel like no one has him. Like not many people have him. So
Yeah, it's true. I have Millie, like the real licensed one. Not
this is licensed.
okay, but that's the
Crazy.
baby.
Yeah, this is the baby I bought. It is eye bloom.
It's eye bloom, but I have like the
She has the adult.
I have the adult.
Yeah, eye bloom just came out with babies.
It came out for like 6 months ago.
I know.
I'm putting some glitter in it. Calm down. Just a little bit, okay?
Well, I'm gonna
Okay.
use my other slime.
Yeah, use your other slime because there might get glitter on them.
Yeah, I'm gonna totally get glitter on. Heading over to the slime box. Yeah. I'm gonna use. This is cheese fondue slime. I call it cheese fondue slime.
Here, I'll hold the squishy and you
Totally
throw it
cheese.
over.
Like if you would probably think it was cheese if you knew it wasn't slime. You'd probably think it was cheese.
You'd be like, oh, I'm gonna dip my chip in there now.
Y'all can have this book.
Yeah, thanks.
You know
Can you
what?
stop doing whatever you're doing?
Okay. Whatever you're doing.
Stretch it out.
He's so cute.
Yep.
It's a derpy.
Millie, you're gonna
Derpy little Millie.
Millie, you're gonna be okay.
Here, I'll help stretch.
Careful, don't rip it.
Okay, no, okay.
Ready? Okay, take Millie. Okay.
She now gets covered in the slime. And then I have to like squish it. Like,
Yeah. Guys,
Wait.
she is covered in slime.
wait, let me.
She is complete.
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Let me see. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna attempt to take the slime off.
It comes out really easily.
Yeah, actually, that's coming off really easily. Okay,
The
that
thing
was a fun
Because
dare.
like it doesn't have any defects, so it doesn't stick to the stuff.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, I like that.
Why do you have lavender? Oh, that's strong.
I know.
Okay. Is that like a room freshener or what?
No, it's oils.
Hmm.
Okay, so
I
the
put
next,
this
what should the
around.
next squishy dare be? I forgot to ask in my last video to comment down some squishy dares. Comment down below some squishy dares.
Well, comment down some below
Yeah.
some squishy.
Right now.
I know. And it involves the squishy. It's not gonna hurt it. It's fine. Hold the camera. The squishy is jump on the squishy.
Oh.
I will jump on this squishy.
No, hold on. Use this one.
Oh yeah.
So she is going to use this one. My chicken leg.
Wait.
She's going to use my chicken leg. Ready?
Okay, watch this squishy. In the arms of the angels. So here's the flat chicken leg.
It's as flat as a pig. Oh, it's rising.
Hello. Hello, try to guess what I found. You're squishy. Yes, more.
My s'more.
What's in this trampoline?
Ah.
Look, it's a flat pancake.
Guys, it's a flat pancake. Okay, we're going to put this back in
How did
here.
you flip the camera around? Oh, there's a button.
Guys, my brother found my s'more. This was my favorite squishy.
Here, now I'll video.
I got everything amazing.
Oh,
The next.
so what's your favorite squishy right now? Is it still?
Kitty stuck in a mug.
I love squishing the head like so
I
much.
know.
It's just like,
Okay, guys.
if it ever rips off, like, I don't care. I have a coffee cup. It's really soft, and then I'm just gonna squeeze the head death.
Yeah.
It already has defects on mine just because I keep squishing the head in my sleep.
Squish it in your sleep. That's kind of freaky. Okay.
Well, like I don't squish it in my sleep. I bring it to bed and I squish it and I fall asleep and yeah. Next squishy here is what?
So you're gonna want to sit. Whoa, what you almost? You're gonna sit on your most slow rising squishy for the.
That's
entire
the cake.
video. Oh, it's still in the car, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's pretty slow rising.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I don't have my most polarizing squishy with me at the moment. But
Because like we would use chicken leg, but we already used this, so it's
we
weird.
already oh, it's fine. Guys, back to normal. Okay, so we're gonna sit on this.
You have so many cool squishies. Except Bella's so nice friend. She's getting me the
Yeah, I'm
chicken
getting our chicken. Galaxy chicken. Okay, so we're gonna sit on this guy
for the entire video,
for the entire video.
unless we have to get up somewhere. Okay.
I'll just have you get it for me.
Yeah. What's the next squishy dare? You're going to be videoing from now on because.
You have to sit on squash.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the next squishy? Heart on a squishy.
Throw a squishy at the wall.
I knew that was gonna be one. I love
She's using my kitty, and she's gonna throw it at the wall. Are you going? I think you should go in my bottom bunk because I can see it easier. Throw it on my bottom bunk. Okay, so we're gonna throw it.
I'm not throwing it that way off.
Oh, okay. So try and throw it at the dress.
At the dress?
No, above the dress.
Okay.
Whoa. Can you get that?
I don't know, but we'll try again if I did this. So, let's try one more time. I'm good at aiming. Okay, where do you want me to
Guys, this feels so good because I'm like sitting on the floor all the time.
throw it?
This squish feels good. Below the dress this time.
Well, I hit the
You hit the dress. He almost landed in my squishy box.
I'm so good at aiming. Like, I'm not lying. I'm so good at it. It's like,
Okay, guys.
it's just
So
so squishy.
the next squishy dare is gonna be done with Baby Billy.
Baby Billy.
The next squishy dare.
And I believe that it's I Blue. Even though someone on our street doesn't believe it's I Blue. Okay.
Doesn't believe it's
I
happening.
deleted that thing. The squishy fraction.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's
Um,
the squishy dare?
The squishy dare with Baby Billy. Of course, it's gonna be a Baby Billy is like my second favorite.
So we're not going to harm him.
Yeah.
We're going to do a harming with one of her dead squishies.
Yes, with one of my mini squishies that are in that blue box right there. Because I was just getting, I was losing room in my squishy box that I couldn't
should
fit
put,
that
like-
container.
You could put like this one or your s'more in that container. And that.
No, but then I'm trying to keep them in here because when I get these two, I want them to be able to be like with their parents.
Well, you can. They're small enough to fit in there.
I know, but I'd rather keep them in my jumbo box because they kind of count as jumbo. Woman. We could have done the farting on a squishy. Okay. So the next,
I still have more, so you can.
the next squishy dare is close your eyes, throw a squishy somewhere in the room, and try and find it.
By closing my eyes.
Yeah, you're gonna close your eyes and then throw it somewhere.
Okay. So like I close my eyes, I throw it in the room, and then I'm closing my eyes to try to find it.
Yeah. No, you don't have to close your eyes
No, I
to
wanna
find
That would
it.
be funny because I would run it up.
Okay. So she's gonna close her eyes and throw it somewhere.
Banana. Okay. I got it.
She already found it. Okay. Try that again. Guys, I'm just squishing Millie over
Here,
here.
how about you throw it?
Okay.
And I'll try to find it. Okay,
Okay,
I'm
guys.
closing my ears and my eyes. I can't see anything. Did you
I
throw it?
totally know where I'm throwing it.
Okay, did you
Okay.
throw it?
Hey!
No, I didn't.
That was my foot.
I don't see it.
You're not supposed to see it, crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Your hair is totally on your face.
I don't care. I got it.
She found it.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do one more. You throw it again.
Okay. I'm good at this.
This is fun.
So guys, we're gonna throw Billy one more time. I totally know where I'm throwing him.
Okay, I heard it go that way.
You may go now.
Oh, I ran into something. Oh, I ran into the other thing.
Oh, guys, I don't want to have to get up.
I got it.
She got it. Okay. Next squishy dare, which is one. Can you get me a squishy out of my mini box?
It's like you don't care which one.
I don't really care. Okay, we'll do this one. It's throw a squishy outside and see if you can find it. No, hold on. We have to do it. Let's do it in the backyard. Oh, guys, that means I would have to get up. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Okay, guys, so I'm still sitting on the carrot mug. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right now.
There's your booty. The face was like sticking out under your pants.
Guys, it has carpet marks. I hope that doesn't make a defect.
No, it doesn't make a defect. Because I do that with all my squishies. I just go squash, 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 and then the carpet makes that stuff. It
Now
doesn't.
let's just jump on it. Okay.
It's dead.
It is pretty much dead.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to throw it.
Yeah, you can throw it because you've been sitting on it the entire time. Watching the football game.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. Hi. Baxter, no, you can't be out here. I think my dad is carving a Halloween pumpkin. Okay, y'all, so we're going to throw this and we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is a squishy turns.
Throw it over the fence.
We'll see how far it goes. I'm a pretty weak thrower, so.
I'll throw it
Let's
after.
do this about 5 times. and see what
So you throw it 3, I'll throw it 2.
happens.
That was so weak.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. Guys, this is it. I'm gonna try.
Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna try right here.
Do it. You should just go get it. That was cool. Okay, let's go get it. And then I'll try twice.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't do this. I'm holding the camera.
Luckily, you didn't go far. The car comes by.
A car couldn't even get it, Bella. It was on the...
I'm gonna throw it again.
No, you're not. Bella, it's my turn. I'm going twice.
Okay. Because we're doing this 6 times. Okay. Let's go back in the backyard.
Actually, can I do it 4 times? Can you do it 4 times?
Fine. We'll do 8 times.
First, I'm going to throw it from here.
Wow. Wow.
I'm a football thrower, so.
Well-
Can you go get it? Get it back. Okay. Now I'm going to take 2 step forward. I don't know how this is going to go. Ah! So close!
Okay, guys, that was our last squishy there. For
One, I get to throw.
you did it twice.
Well, then let me throw it over. Okay, let me.
No, you're not gonna throw it, Amber. Not again.
Yes,
Fine. Throw it over. It went like boom, 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 boom. It went into the bottom of a tree. Okay, so let's grab it.
That works so well.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in our next video.
What was that?
I tried to like do this, but then the squishy in my hand, so I was like, well, I kind of delayed reaction. Okay, see you guys next
No,
time.
I can do it. See you. Wait, are you videoing me?
Yes.
See you guys later.
See you guys later. As my favorite YouTubers do. Blah, 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 blah.
What?
What?